I'm Dr. Nidhi Navani. I'm an Ayurvedic consultant and I'm practicing with Vedica Ayurvedic Wellness Center in Bangalore. And I practice online portal known as Televeda, which is based out of US. So I am an online consultant for Televeda, and also I am an online consultant for Ayurveda Ayurvedic Center, which is based in Hyderabad. So Ayurveda has again excellent treatment and medicines in healing of any kind of stomach ulcers. So stomach ulcers are basically caused when the acid is on a higher side. So there are medicines which will bring down the acidity levels. Second thing, what I mentioned already, there is a cleansing process which we should incorporate every 6 months. We should undergo these Ayurvedic therapies for detoxification so that excess of Pitta formation comes down. There are guidelines in diet where the Pitta formation or the acid in the body that can be controlled. So this is one thing. Second thing, in a day-to-day life, in our meals, if we can include ghee, it goes very well for patients who are having stomach ulcers. Second thing is cold milk. Cold milk to be taken empty stomach, that also helps in relieving the stomach ulcer problems. Yashti Madhu, if taken under medical supervision, is very much effective in stomach ulcers, along with there are certain medicated ghrutams also which help in ulcers. Apart from that, there is you can always consume cold milk for ulcers, and avoid any kind of spicy food, any kind of food, sour food items, and like citrus fruits, because they contain excess of citric acid. Heavy food items, deep fried items, maida items, starchy items, they should be avoided in any kind of ulcers. According to Ayurveda, weak Agni, or when the Pitta dosha is imbalanced. So Pitta dosha is basically the Agni element of the person is imbalanced and is on the higher side, then the Pitta dosha imbalance will happen, and because of that Pitta dosha imbalance, they get this ulcer problem. So as per Ayurveda, the Agni element of the person has to be fixed, and then this Pitta dosha automatically will come to a balance, and the ulcers and the associated problem with that can be taken care of. Yes, taking coconut water early morning is a good way of decreasing your stomach ulcers. Second is adding ghee to your diet, just raw ghee. It's not that you prepare your cooking in ghee, just adding dal or to your rice or to your chapatis, raw ghee, that helps in controlling of the ulcers. Then herbs like Yashti Madhu, Guduchi, Amalki, they all are very much helpful in ulcer problems. It reduces the acidity, hyperacidity problem and the burning caused by it. Yeah, so to avoid ulcers, people who are usually having a hyperacidity or burning problem in their upper stomach, so they should avoid, the first thing to avoid is any kind of tea or coffee, as it aggravates the problem. So completely stop any kind of tea or coffee. Rather you can switch on to some kind of drinks, like take coconut water, or you can take some fennel seeds, boiled fennel and jeera and ajwain seeds boiled in warm water, make it little cool and consume that. That will immediately reduce your hyperacidity problem. Then in a day-to-day lifestyle, you see that you're taking the largest portion of your meal in the lunch, during that is between, as I mentioned, something around 11:30 to 1:30, finish your lunch at that time and have the largest portion at that time. Have early dinner so that there is adequate time for digestion between your sleep and your last meal. The last meal of the day, it should be something between 6:30 to 7:30, so that there is time, there is enough time for correct digestion to happen before you sleep. Sleep on the left lateral side. It is always beneficial because all your organs, your digestive organs, they come into one single alignment, and hence the digestion happens better.